What is up, guys? Thanks for tuning in once again. And today I have a nice short video for you. It's in regards to the engine temp sensor. As you can see, this is the location, which is, if you look here, here's your coil packs, oil, catalytic converter, and you look right on the left-hand side of your air box. Right down below is a engine coolant temperature sensor. You're going to want to make sure the engine is cold, and go ahead and use your 17mm socket and go ahead and remove that after removing the harness off of it. And I'm replacing this because I'm getting some codes here. So I got an engine coolant temperature sensor, circuit high, and engine coolant temp sensor, circuit high. So sensor 2 and temperature sensor 1. So we're going to go ahead and replace that now and see if that gets rid of our code. So we have our port disconnected from our harness, and we have our 17mm long socket, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to loosen it up now. You can use your ratchet or whatever you need. That's on level 1, that won't do. And there we have it, just like that. 2 seconds with a gun. All right, so here we have our old sensor, and it doesn't look really bad. Normally they're cracked, but this shows no sign of damages, but the internal electrical components may no longer be working, so we'll go ahead and replace it anyways, as that check engine code is being thrown. But once you take that off, you'll see your O-ring gasket. Go ahead and remove the O-ring. You don't want to double gasket up because you will have coolant leaks. So remove that O-ring and then go ahead and install the new one. Let's do that now. And just like that, the new one is in. Go ahead and plug in your port. Make sure it clicks in, and you are all set. We're going to go ahead and turn the car on and see if it gets rid of the code, and we may have to drive it, and we may have to reset it. So we'll go ahead and we'll do that now.